closed loop and an open loop. When we're talking about that, we're talking about strictly the process flow of the water for this chiller. Now, understand, if we're looking at it globally, your refrigeration circuit and the water process circuit are married. The refrigeration circuit is usually 4 main components. It's physics and it doesn't change. It's the compressor, condenser, the metering device, and the heat exchanger. And with the process circuit, it's 4 components marry up with that heat exchanger. So it's the heat exchanger, pump, tank, and temperature sensor. Okay, so now when we're talking open loop compared to a closed loop, an open loop means that one of those 4 portions of the process circuit, 1, maybe 2, the pump or the reservoir, are not in the circuit. It's supplied by the customer's process. Inside of our chiller would include the heat exchanger and the temperature sensor. In a closed loop, on the other side, has all of those components. It has the heat exchanger, the pump, the reservoir, and the temperature sensor.